Hello everyone, this is Sikandar Kumar, and in this video I will cover some of the configuration of text maker and basic of the text maker, some commands, and how to start writing any documents, article and report. So let's see, this is one of my works which I have written in last year. So basically this is notebook of BTech courseworks of rock mechanics subject. See, this is a mathematical equation, and so just imagine, is it possible to write this type of mathematical equation in Word? If possible, then think how much time you will need to write this type of work. Okay, just scroll down. There are so many mathematical equation, and also some text are also here, but you can also realize that some of the difference which is easily visible in Word and in this latex. Okay, scroll down. Also some of the notation, some of the Greek work. See, this is the trigonometric function and many more, some of the fraction. See, this is one of my works which I have completed last year. See, this is very different. Actually, why I'm showing this file, actually after those who are very new in this text maker or latex, you will feel how much this latex file is important if you are doing PhD or MTech or preparing any report. Those who are working in a government sector and continuously making a report for the client. So see, this is one example, and you can easily uh, realize the importance or benefit of the latex. So this file I will also do this after one video which I'm right now recording. After this video I will do one workshop, and I will write same things, and I will record for you how I can write this type of mathematical equation and this type of all notation and all these things. Okay, so in this video I will not go through this PDF file. I will learn basic of or some configuration or setting of the latex. So let us start from the beginning, and we will learn how to configure this latex file. So if you are beginning and you are starting from the first document, so first you need to go to the option. So there is one option, configure text maker. There is four option. You will get commands, quick build, editor and shortcuts. So there are three options are very important. First, command. Here there are some of the default settings are there, but what you need to ensure before writing any document, see here PDF viewer. So make sure built-in viewers is checked in and embedded are checked in. Now come to the quick build. So in this, the first option, PDF LaTeX plus view PDF, make sure this checked in. Now come to editor. Here you will see some of the option here, editor font size. So I think this is already in this setting, default setting. So what you need to make or ensure these three column. Okay, so three options, word, completion and so line number. Okay, so make sure these three things are checked in. So just okay, and here you will see some of the interface, and you will also experience some of the interface. This is the interface for the section, adding section, reference and making word in a smaller or larger, some of the bold and Italian. There are many options you can learn by yourself, so I will not cover these things in this video. So just start new file. So there is one option here, go to the file, and here is option new, and another one option in this interface, you can just see the plus sign. You can also click here and you will create a new folder or new file. Okay, so just click here, you will get a new workplace. Okay, but here I will mention, here I want to mention one things, and which is very important, that after creating new file you have to save this file. If you don't save or start writing, you will not be able to view of your work. So for viewing your work or converting your work in the PDF file, you need to save this file. So just go to the file and save as in a folder. Okay, so I will save this as a basic tutorial. Okay, now this file is now saved. Now writing anything in this text maker, there is a rule or some of the commands. So before writing anything, there are some rule in text maker. You have to enter a specific command for the specific purpose. Let us assume for writing any document, you have to write the begin document or end document, or you have to specify what type of documents you want to write, and what are the what will be the font size, or many things. So we will learn later on this video. So just start writing any document. So here write backslash. Before writing any command, you have to enter backslash in latex or text maker. So keep in mind backslash. Okay, so don't confuse with backslash and forward slash. Here you will always write backslash. Okay, so backslash documents. Okay, uh, after writing few words, you will get one suggested. Here this is coming from the library of text maker. So here backslash document and class, enter, you will get two options. Here you will see big bracket and one is curly bracket. So in the big bracket you have to mention your font size. So I will just giving 12 point. Okay, pt. Now just enter tab, you will get to the next bracket, that is curly bracket, and here you will define the kind of document you want to write, report, article, anything. So in this curly bracket you have to write the type of document. So let us write article. Okay, now my document is defined. Now we can begin our document. So just enter again backslash and write begin. Okay, so you will see suggested command. There are many command like theorem, tiny, and title page. I will cover all things in a later video, but in this video I will go very short. So just select begin, the last option. Okay, so here you will see one middle bracket. In this middle bracket you have to define the document. Okay, write the document. So just write document. So once you write the document, you will see automatically end command of the document will automatically come. So between begin document and end document you have to write what you want, or basically this is the body part of your work. So between begin document and end document you have to write, or you have to make any changes what you want. So this is the workplace. Basically you can say this is your workplace where you can write, or you can edit, or you can do whatever you want. So before writing anything, you need to learn the writing mode. There are two type of writing mode. Usually I learned in this tutorial one is text mode and second is mathematical mode. Basically those who are writing any document, basically text mode or mathematical mode is being used. So what is text mode? Let us see. If you are writing any paragraph, any report without any mathematical notation, mathematical equation, that you can term as the text mode. So writing any text mode, you don't need to write any command, you just start writing in this body part. But if you want to write mathematical mode, you have to specify the command so that this LaTeX will understand that this sentence or this paragraph is in a mathematical mode. So we will learn how this mathematical mode and text mode work. So just start writing one simple word. Now you can write anything in body. So let us try to write some text format or text mode. Okay, so write greetings from research file. Okay, full stop, and just click quick build. Okay, you will see this PDF view. Okay, so you can also have option to enlarge or see view in zoom 100% or more than that. Okay, so this is one view you can see. Now we can go to the mathematical mode. So I'm just trying to write down x plus y is equal to 7. Okay, so let us first try to write in text mode. So x plus y is equal to 7. So let us see what will happen. Okay, so right here you can see, if you write x plus y is equal to 7, in this you will get x plus y is equal to 7, but this is in the text mode. So you will realize how the mathematical mode look like. So I will also write x plus y is equal to 7 in mathematical mode. So one more things you can notice here, in this workplace I have written greetings from Researchify in the one line, and the second line x plus y is equal to 7. But what you get both greetings from Researchify and x plus y is equal to 7 in same line after full stop. So if you want like that, you can just write like this. Okay, but if you want x plus y is equal to 7 in the next line, then what you can do, you can just write here double backslash. Okay, and now click OK. Now you can see x plus y comes in the second line. But one things also you need to note down or notice, greetings from Researchify and x plus y is equal to 7 are not in aligned or in one line. So what you need to do to make these things, sometimes you need like that, but you not regularly want like this. So you have to make all lines in align format or in one line. So what you can do, so the other form you can do, just put one extra line. Okay, just click one extra line and run. You can see some changes. Okay, so what you notice, if you give one extra line, you will get the result in one line in alignment format. Okay, but if you give double backslash, you will get the result but not in the same line. Okay, here is the one backslash, that's why it is showing in same. Just remove the backslash and run. Okay, see. Okay, so this is one things you need to learn before writing.